Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a safe workspace to prevent any damage to the laptop. First, power off the laptop and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery to avoid any electrical issues. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Keep track of these screws as you'll need them later for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could break the plastic clips holding the panel in place. After the panel is removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using the microfiber cloth. Next, locate the LCD cover. It's usually held in place by several screws around the edges. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you're unsure about the placement of the screws, refer to the laptop's service manual for guidance. At this point, if you find the task too challenging, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our skilled technicians can assess the issue for you. Now, carefully lift the LCD cover off the screen. If it's stuck, use the plastic spudger to gently pry it free, but take care not to damage the display. Once the cover is removed, inspect the hinges and any connectors attached to the cover. If you notice any damage, this is a good time to address it. Before proceeding, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with this process, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This can save you the hassle of traveling and waiting in line at repair shops. After removing the old LCD cover, take your new cover and position it over the screen. Align it properly with the hinges and connectors. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Now, reconnect any cables that may have been detached during the process. Take your time to ensure that everything is properly connected. Once you are satisfied with the connections, replace the back panel of the laptop. Align it carefully, and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. This part is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the laptop, so double-check that all screws are tight. Finally, reinsert the battery, plug in the laptop, and power it on to test the new LCD cover. If everything looks good, congratulations on completing the replacement. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With these steps, you can successfully replace the LCD cover on your HP 15 laptop. Happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.